and welcome back. Today we're going to be making black sesame lava French toast. First off, we're going to toast our black sesame seeds, so just pour them into a pan and stir them around until they become fragrant. You'll see the seeds popping around, that means they're ready and you can turn off the heat. We're then going to place the black sesame seeds into a blender along with the sugar and just blend it until it becomes a paste. It's going to take a while before it turns into a paste, but once it turns into a paste, add in the peanut butter and the butter and then continue blending it until it becomes the consistency of like cream. Once you finish blending it, grab yourself a Glad wrap bag or a piping bag and then pour the mix into it and then place it into the fridge for it to set a little. We're then going to take a slice of bread and make a little pocket in it. So what we're going to do is just take a knife and cut it down through the middle, but don't cut all the way through the edges. If you've only got sliced white bread at home, you can use that as well, but what you want to do is get 3 pieces and in the middle slice, just put a hole through that and keep the other 2 uncut. We're then going to crack an egg into a bowl that's big enough to fit our bread slice and then beat it with the Hojicha powder until it's evenly mixed together. If you're using the sliced bread, you're going to have an uncut piece of bread at the bottom. Put the piece of bread with the hole in the middle and squeeze your sesame paste in and then cover it with the other piece of uncut bread. We're then going to place the bread into the egg mixture and make sure that each side of the bread is well coated. Then in a heated pan, add in some oil and your French toast, then begin frying it until all sides are golden. And that's it. You can eat it as is or you can pair it with some berries, nuts and ice cream like I have. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.